worry, Mama's here.
Oh, my dear Mun, what happened?
Mommy, I don't feel well.
We were so worried about you, Kibo. Oh, my poor little one. You're burning up. Don't worry, Mama's here.
Here is your warm soup, Mun. Thank you, Kime.
I'm home! Mun, are you okay? Mun? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm here now. Here, open wide, Mun.
Yes, eat up, son. Feel better soon. Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Mom.
I love you.
You eat that up, sweetie.
We're right here.
There, all tucked in tight now. Rest well, little Mun.
What did what that did.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay, Mun.
Sleep now, little one. We're here for you.
He's still not better? I must do something. The fresh herbs from the garden.
Here, lean on me, my brave one.
Thank you, Mama.
I have them. You'll be all right, little one.
Oh, thank goodness. Look, sweetie. The herbs are cooking.
Almost ready, Kime. Here, try this, sweet one. It will help you feel better.
Come on, take a little sip. Thanks. I'm closing the window for you, Moon. Thank you, Kibo.
brought you some warm tea.
Oh, Mun, you're looking so happy.
Yes, we are so relieved to have you home.
You got this, little buddy.
Yay!
Yay! I did it!
Hooray! We're so proud of you.
He's quite the playful one.
You need to rest, sweet Mun. We'll take it very slow, okay?
Thank you.
Look at them go.
I'm so proud.
Oh, thank goodness.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mama.
Be safe, son.
Thank you, Mom. I love you.
You're finally home.
We've missed you so much.
We're a family again, Mun.
You look so happy.
Yes, he looks healthy again.
Oh, Mom, thank you.
Isn't this just perfect? Look at them. So happy together. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. So many fruits.
I feel so much better now.
Oh, that's wonderful.
We're so glad.
Keep warm, little one. Oh, thank you. I'm cozy now.
The lantern is ready, everyone.
Perfect. It's getting dark.
Cozy.
We're so proud of you, Mun.
Welcome home.
I love you both.
You both took such good care of me. I love you so much.
We love you too, Mun.
So